4 hours before the concert on the new beanbag. Looks great.
They don't know about it yet.
Sorry.
Recording us.
This is crazy. This is my second show. My first show, I sold 18. And now this is back.
And we sold more than 8 tonight.
But I know a lot of y'all. I don't know some of y'all, but come find me. Let's chat. I have some merch. You want to check it out? The way I feel now, the way you put your hands around the world, I see how. Just steps and stairs and break it down. I wanna get down. I'm starting to feel like I got butterflies in my stomach. The way you're looking got me thinking that I'm onto something. I think I'm falling for you. I wanna get to you. The way you stand, girl, you're thinking that you're feeling something. I wanna get you closer. I wanna get to know you. The way you're moving got me. Saturday come around, knock my feet off the ground. I still remember your name. It's a me. Swear that I can't get you feeling like the way you wanna be. I wanna get to know you better than the ones you loved before. Rock your body right now. I can take this tension anymore. Know that I can get you right. Swear that I can get you right. How do I tell her that I love her when I try? You can't fall in love twice, but you gon' make me fall in love again by tonight. Told you I'm not here for the slap, but I'ma be yours and you gon' be mine.
You want to send me the new one? Hold on, you want to send me the new one or you want to do another one? Hey, y'all trying to get a new one? Alright, we gonna get a new one. You gonna send a new one. Let's do it. Hey, just airdrop it.
Who knows the song?
See you from across the room, staring at you. From the first look that I knew, this isn't what I should get into. But something about your eyes said otherwise.
I don't think he knows you about. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Well, how do you feel? How do you feel? He literally just hugged me. I think he's just one guy. Holy crap! Please, we're just hungry little boys. I gave you some, huh? Thank you. Thank you, Armon. Thank you, Armon. I gave you some. No. Nope, you are not getting it. I already got the underwear one. Hey, my wife loves you. Oh, I know, I love your wife. I love your wife. Yeah. What? Yes, I do. Wait, what? Yes, I do. She's a big fan. That's it. Nothing else.
Tell what my love's worth. Would you really love me if I was a loner? Would you come here if I ain't coming over? Caught up on my head again, driven through the static. Feeling like a vinyl loops through the problematic. Sip a little something, little simmer on my tongue. Truth tastes better when you burn out. I've been crashing out, I've been running around, looking for one reason not to drown. Something that I found wasn't solid ground. Just a high that let me down low in a faceless crowd, lost in all the sun. Making a city with the love work, smoking till my lungs hurt. Nice, it's hard to tell when my love's worth. Would you really love me if I was a loner? Would you call me yours if I ain't coming over? Caught up in my head again, dreaming to the static. Feeling like I'm on a loop, through the problematic. Sip a little something, let it simmer on my tongue. Truth tastes better when you burn it.
There's literally no one driving in that car. It's those. What is it?
The camera, the AI, the robot. Like,
That's
what?
so scary. Like, that's not even. I'm sorry, but that's not even cool. That's just scary.
These dang clankers.
And off they go. Like, they were really fast.
How do you pull over one of these?
Right? Does it sense cops?
That's crazy. There's a bunch of people down there blowing bubbles.
Oh, really?
Yeah?
No.
Let's take the drone down there. Underwater.
Get it?
Like this, I would have
I
a
want
cat
it.
peeking through the window.
Can I get it?
What is it?
Can I get it?